Hi everyone! Today we're going to be unboxing September's Zenpop box.
Oh. Wow!
Ooh, I see plenty of nice things. So thank you. You always receive that in the box. Here's the stationery list. You have sticky memos. Where is that? Which one? Oh, I see a notebook. Which one is sticky memos? I don't know which one it is.
You go for the first list.
Okay, something different. It's block clips. It's to put reminders in between. Oh, you can build a little man with it. So, then there's a ring memo. It's a notebook. Oh, there's something. Oh, that's where it was. Couldn't find it because it was inside a notebook. There's a little plastic cover for the first page, and there's a pocket where you can put something. Then there's window highlighter. How many highlighters are there supposed to be? More than one? Oh, this one is... Oh, it's open because you have to put the ink. So I don't think so. This one is a highlighter. I've seen this. So that when you highlight, you can see what you're highlighting. I often highlight this side. It's double-ended.
Can I see?
With a finer tip on the other side. Science boys or cool teachers sticker.
Oh.
There's a Pressman pencil that is size 0.9. Oh, you know, I was about to buy this actually. Then you said, no, Agnes, don't buy it. I ended up having it. It was a different tip size, but I still like this one. This one's real pretty. Tu veux le voir? This one is a Preppy fountain pen, size 3. Ooh, I saw an ink somewhere here. Which side are you supposed to put? Which side are you supposed to put on this one? No, then I can't put it in. I don't know which side it goes in. This one, the pen is kind of cool. This is how it looks like.
Oh, it's this one, they said B.
Je le mettrai après, c'est pas grave. Then there's planner sheets. This one, where you can see there's for every day of the week. Then there's a habit tracker and a small to-do list. It's nice. I was thinking again to buy something like this. It's all very great. There's a Kita Slim. What's that? Is it this one? What's that? Is this washi tape? Oh, it's stored differently instead of in the circle, so it's weird. I like all the designs. They're all skinny designs. They're thinner. Then back to what I was looking for first. The sticky memos here. This one was hidden in the notebook after all. That's why I couldn't see it. Plenty of different sizes. There's like a bubble, line, and flag sticky notes. And the last one is this one. How do you pronounce that? This one.
Shitajiki.
This one. It's the ruler. Is it a ruler?
Yeah. No, actually, it's she said to put it on the notebook or something.
like if it's like white and there's no.
Cardboard or something.
Oh. It's like so that if it's white and you have lines that you see through.
I had to make it straight.
Shita and Jiki. Shita means below, Jiki means spread. Is used under a sheet of paper to provide a better surface for writing and avoid leaving marks on the table.
Oh, I see. She's nice. There's a ruler. Not only for that, there's also a ruler. So when I'm too lazy to go fetch one. Well, that was the September Zenpop box. And thank you for watching. Bye.